This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Eric Adams PLLC. Cozy, well-maintained, and with an open floor plan, this home has fantastic quality and wow appeal with various interior updates and in a great location on a cul-de-sac in one of the most sought-after communities in all of Central Florida. Expect to be impressed immediately upon entering the home. This home has received a lot of upgrading, including beautiful crown molding in every room, updated kitchen and bathrooms including tile walk-in showers west/glass doors west/new vanities and toilets, and new flooring and paint throughout home. The home has also been re-plumbed and the electrical has been updated with new panels. Conveniently located to everything fun Orlando has to offer as well as the airport. Just a hop, skip and a jump from the Beachline, be on an East Coast beach within an hour. Minutes from iDrive and the convention center, this home offers various options for dining and nightlife. Spend your evenings on Restaurant Row or take a leisurely ride on the Orlando Eye and be adventurous every night of the week. Work or like to play at any of the theme parks? This is the perfect location for you. Be at any of the popular world-class attractions within minutes. As an added bonus, the low optional HOA fee includes personal weekly lawn mowing, edging, and weed whacking in addition to use of the community clubhouse with new workout room, pool, basketball court, tennis court and a lovely playground for the little ones. Don't